Good afternoon, everyone. Industry players, the artists, analysts, directors, and my brilliant panelists as I came to this meeting. In Canada, it's a first of its kind. Waka Abu Amaya Yamana FM. In fact, as I was sitting there, I realized that the things they are training or teaching us, that's not only pertaining to music. It cuts across almost every sector that you find yourself. And it's a good opportunity for us, especially as young people are. Because the back in the various sectors there's no talent work. As part of this year's Ashanti Fest, we decided to say any of just the musical concert, where I think on the 11th, artists that perform and lead. No, we wanted to also have an opportunity like this. People who are in the industry will share their experience with you. You'll be able to network, you'll be able to build the right connections. So that from this forum, at least when will be number, that person will be your anchor in your next hit will come as a result of that connection. So I want to thank you for being part of this, and also thank our panelists for availing yourself to groom these young ones for us, so that how by your work as Ashanti Region being the cultural capital, which includes our music and all that of Ghana, which is a whole demo, fair and steadfast in that regard. As I'm only discussing issues, what came to mind is mostly those who hate overnight are not able to sustain that. Because I know my open market here, it is enough for you. At the end of the day, who are a lot or a series of them are. If you remember who they are, who are hit. Every time I've been on his story, so I know now we are going to, so I know prefer to go out exactly the hit. So trust the process. Don't just say room of go overnight. No. So that we will do a lot of these demos and put it out there. It is going to credit you at the point in time where you begin this expectedly. So let's do that and have that in mind. We also ask you to come up and the panelists do encourage you. Let's try and build the right collaborations. All these we are not in competition with each other. We are to look at it as we are going to collaborate with each other. Obiara the style, Obiara the talent, and how unique Obiara. So if you see yourself as that unique person with that unique talent and unique ability. If you do baby now, if you need to feature someone, if you need to reach out to someone, feel okay to do that. Without having to think that you can get there as an island. That's also another thing I want you to have in mind. I was so glad that it came out clearly that there is a need to support each other. And as YFM, not passionate or calm, you need to actually do some things out of your own accord without even having a child. It will come back to you. These young ones, especially our SHS salaries and our schools, they would go to hold the music industry. They do that they are offering for entertainment. Regional minister for our child, you can't charge them the same amount. If you go, we wear them, who said they wear them this year, you can actually offer to them without having to charge them as much as you charge for any other program. One, it is introducing you to a new fan base. It is introducing you to a new group of people that they will now grow and come and own Uganda. If they are here, I know the entertainment leaders and their tutors are here. If you are now becoming artists, get closer to them, pick their mattress. They invite you around your home. Keep going. A time will get to a time where you will become of that value, say, Obiara chase after you. Everyone will forget, say, you spent years doing a lot of these programs. Lawyers no matter the but or more than consignments about from and the cases as broken cases. But the case now no really want to have the number of top there. After the moment, Hannah, Eric went to Nancy when he was beginning his career. And yes, we are in to make sure we support and promote everything Ashanti, everything Kumasi. That is why as you come in this dramatic center stage, what happens to fire the region is concerned. And I want to give you that assurance that yes, I know a lot of things are happening to the pastor. A man losing a position as a region when it comes to the creative industry. They started with Kumawood. They started the news and come to court cases, then get home. They didn't see a problem by it, not a new week next year. Now our friend won't trouble. Recently, there were a lot of some court cases and all that. We have to call them and tell them, no, we can't do this to ourselves. But I should feel free apologizing to you than having to drag issues here and there. And yes, we have young talents. I know a lot of them have happened in the past. But I think that they are using this forum as an opportunity for a new beginning. So that we would be able to forgive each other, we would be able to rebuild and support each other to grow a better Ashanti Region industry and a Kumasi industry. And yes, young ones have any problems now. I'll take it up. I'll set up a team who will help us identify and see how best to be able to build bridges and promote the people are not holding massive industry, letting up for a industry to get that of. So from here we'll be reaching out to you. We'll be a fresh moment and we'll be reaching out to you. The barrier approach to how I find solving problems. So they are now holistically. And the young ones to get to know say over in Stardom at the very younger age. What it means they say who gets they get you able when you're 15 and I want to 20. You will stay with us for so many years, 40 years, 50 years. And the Ekakana Wona Yakuaya, big down do so, go back to your console. And you're very versatile, they do not different. And as you are promoting you, the young ones, when they say, oh, talent, say a good voice to say that, but we just want a good mind to make sure that our talent will be sustained. The very moment that OJ said you will be able to survive without a network, that will be the very moment of your downfall. So this is just to encourage you that we are there for you. We'll try and right the wrongs. We'll try and provide all the needed support for the music industry. And most definitely be able to grow the industry in Ashanti Region and for that matter in Kumasi. So on behalf of the President and most definitely on behalf of the houses, I want to assure you that we have our full commitment and our full support. And then we congratulate the senior high school students on the Ashanti Music Festival last year. And in fact, top talents. And I want to encourage them to say, keep it up. No, I'm producers, I'm recorders. Me, I'm also inside the mama, or record the mama. When you're with me, channel, very hard to show your career. And they are continuing now, so that we would be able to get them at the level where we all desire to see our talents and our youth develop for the region. On this note, and I will now ask them to share with you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Minister, for those inspiring and encouraging words. Thank you so much for putting this whole program in place.